Hello sports fans, I'm Ralph Luck. My channel on YouTube is called RVing with Luck. I've been full-time RV now for a little over 2 years. That makes me knowledgeable enough just to be dangerous. I'm not alone. I'm in this adventure with my cat Ninja, and she is the only martial arts cat. So you won't find that anywhere else. Now, typically, rather than be in campgrounds, RV parks, things like that, 99% of the time, I'm dry camping, I'm boondocking. Whether that's in a national forest, BLM land, which is Bureau of Land Management, state land like I'm on right this second, or in the ever exclusive Walmarts and Cracker Barrels. And of course, there's always pull-offs and things like rest areas. My channel's unique for a variety of reasons. As I already mentioned, number one is I'm full-time RVing. I don't have a home that I go back to. The other thing is I've been doing this for over 2 years. Like I said, that gives me a little bit of knowledge. Dry camping, boondocking, a little bit of knowledge. Now, most importantly about my channel is I'm 100% honest. I'm going to show you the good and the bad. This is real life. This is you following me, hopefully, on my journey along with Ninja as we travel from place to place. I'm not going to try and sell you anything. Everything that I tell you about in here on my channel, I'll tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly. Some of the things that I stand behind, I will put a link to my Amazon page where you can find that product. And yes, I'm an affiliate. And that's all you're ever going to see is me telling you about things I like or don't like, regardless of any dollar amount. So my vlog is basically about my journey with Ninja. Our stays at different places, locations, areas. My videos are DIY, my life experiences on the road, little tips of stuff that I use and that I like and don't like, and of course Ninja, who's the real star of the show. We all know that. My RV is a 2019 Forest River Class C. No, it doesn't have a name. I'm not one of those guys or gals. I'm towing a 2006 VW convertible Beetle. I hope you join Ninja and I on our journey and our adventure. It's always something a little new and unique. Starting this week, videos come out every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't miss out on the fun, because I think you'll really enjoy that. And I mean that from the heart.